This application requires 2 strips of KT tape. Position yourself with a stretch along the inner thigh. Sitting on a chair with legs apart will achieve this. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. You will place this about 1 inch below where your hip creases. Pull the backing away from the tape to leave a 2-inch anchor on the other end. Apply a light stretch on the tape with one hand while smoothing it down on a slight diagonal. Finally, apply the last 2 inches without any stretch. This can be repeated with an additional strip parallel to the first. Finish with a gentle rub to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.